balance. They have muscular bodies, straight front legs, long necks, thick tails. Their short, sleek coats can be black, fawn, blue. Their coats can be black, fawn, blue, or harlequin, white with black patches. You had a fawn and a black pug, and you're wearing the blue and black exactly. I see you now even in a vision with that blue garment caught up in a swirl in that whirlwind of healing and revelation. I've been in your dreams too, more than one. 12 dreams. You knew by revelation that the first time